Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives on Samsung Galaxy S23. And to do this, you'll need to open a RAR app. I've shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's locate the files that we want to unpack. In this case, they should be right here. Yeah, it's camera.rar, which we can click on. From here, click on the arrow pointing up button to enter the extraction options. Now we can change any of the options. It's not necessary, but I'm just gonna go with a different designation. Right here, click on OK, then proceed with clicking on OK again, and here's the files that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.